Students, today we are going to next K-map with don't care condition. For SOP form, we enter ones corresponding to the combination of input variable which produce a high output, and we enter zeros in the remaining cells of K-map. And for POS form, we enter zeros for corresponding inputs which produces low output, and enter ones in the remaining cells of K-map. But it is not always true that cells not containing ones in a SOP will contain zeros, because some conditions of input variable do not occur. Take one example, that 4-bit VCD counter, it will have valid output from 00 to 100 only, and also for some function the output corresponding to certain combination of input variables do not matter. That means for such an input combination, it does not matter whether the value of output is 0 or 1. In such a situation, we are free to assume 0 or 1 as an output for each such a input combination. These conditions are known as a don't care condition, and in the K-map it is represented as a cross mark in the corresponding cell. The important, that is for the don't care condition, may be assumed to be 0 or 1 as per the need of simplification. Means that some functions of output do not certain combination of input variable not matter. That means it does not matter whether the value 0 or 1. In such a situation, we are free to assume 0 or 1 as an output for each such a input combination, and that condition is known as a don't care. And in a K-map, we enter the don't care as a cross mark as per need of simplification. We consider as a don't mark logic as 0 or 1. Take one example. Simplify, that is simplification, y is equal to summation m 1 3 7 11 15 plus don't care 0 to 5. This D is indicated as a don't care, and these are the don't care conditions, conditions input. So for given equation, y is equal to, this is a min term m1, this is a summation m, these are the mini terms. So m1, m3, m7, m11, m15. m15 and plus D, this is the don't care 0 to 5. This don't care means also for some function the output corresponding to certain combinations of input variables do not matter. That means for such input combination, it does not matter whether the value of output is 0 or 1. In such a situation, we are free to assume 0 or 1 as an output for such input combinations. These conditions are known as a don't care condition, and this is indicating as a by D, but in a K-map as a by cross mark. And as per simplification of need, you have to consider for the don't care condition logic as 0 or 1. Next, these are the regular mini terms, and these are the don't care condition, and these are enter as a ones, and these are enter as a don't care as a cross. So these are the values from 0 to 15. So for we require 4 variable K-map structure. For 4 variable K-map structure, there are the boxes are 16. So here is a AB input, here is a CD 00 01 11 10 00 01 11 10. For every boxes having miniterm position. So this is a 0 1 3 2 4 5 7 6 8 9 11 10 12 13 15 14. You have to directly enter miniterm position 1. 1 means m1, this is m1. 1 as a indicate 1 as a represent as a 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1, or directly you have to put the minterm position box as a 1 here. For that logic 1, or 1 0 0 0 1 means a bar, b bar, c bar, d. This is a bar, b bar, a bar, b, a b bar, c bar, d bar, c bar, d, c d, c d bar. 0 0 0 1. So here we have to put the logic 1. These are the mini terms, so we enter the logic 1. Next, this is a 3. 3 means 0 0 1 1. 0 0 1 1 3. 7 is here. 7 as a 0 1 1 1. So this is a 7 number here. Next is 11 here, and 15, and remaining these are the don't care. This don't care as a by cross mark 0. Next 2 as a here. 2 means number represents 0 0 1 0. So here cross. 5 means 0 1 0 1. So for this cross as a 0, and remaining boxes we enter as a 0, As per need of simplification, you have to consider don't care condition as a logic 1 and logic 0. You have to group that as it is SOP when we solve that KMF for the SOP. So this one grouping and this one grouping, and here for this don't care we in this don't care you have to consider as a logic 0, but for these two don't care condition, as per need of simplification, we consider logic as a 1. So in such a situation we are free to assume 0 or 1 as output for each input combination, and these input conditions are known as a don't care, and in this as per need of simplification for these two don't mark we consider as a logic 1, and for this don't care as a logic 0. As per need of simplification you have to consider as a logic for don't care. So first this is the one group and this one group. You have to solve that group. This is the quad 1. This is a quad 1. This is a group 1 or quad 1, and this is a in this grouping there are number of ones are 4. For this don't care we consider as a logic 1, and for this as a 0. So this is a quad 1 or quad 2. Next we have to solve the quad 1 answer. This is the quad 1. So equation a bar, b bar, c d. For this one a bar, b, c d. For this a, b, c d. Next for this one row and column a, b bar, c, d. You have to solve that and minimize that expression or use the log. On this expression as a bar, c, d, b bar plus b, plus from this a, c, d, b plus b bar. You have to use that law, and equation is a bar, c, d, a, c, d. On these two you have to use the law a bar plus a, and answer for quad 1 is a c, d. Quad 1 is a c, d. Next group is this second group, quad 2. Quad 2, this is a quad 2. So first don't care as a consider as a logic 1. So this is a bar, b bar, c bar, d. Next is for this one a bar, b bar, c bar, d. Next for this one a bar, b bar, c, d, and for this a bar, b bar, c, d bar. You have to minimize that expression. A bar, b bar, c bar, d bar plus d. Next a bar, b bar, c, d plus d bar, that law use, and a bar, b bar, c, a bar, b bar, c. For these two terms here we use the Boolean law. Next in this a bar, b bar, c bar, c. So answer is a bar, b bar. So total answer y is equal to quad 1 plus quad 2. That answer is a c, d plus a bar, b bar. A bar, b bar. That is the don't care condition problem. Next second is problem that summation m 0 1 4 5 plus d 6 7 14 15. So values are from 0 to 15, so required we 4 variable structure and summation m. So these are the mini terms, and that expression is in the form of SOP. This is a b c d 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. For every boxes there are mini term position 0 1 3 2 4 5 7 6 8 9 10 11 10 12 13 14 15 and here 14. This is a bar b bar b a b bar c bar d d c d c d bar. You have to enter directly min term 0 0 as a 0 0 0 0. This is a m0. 1 means 0 0 0 1, that is min term position box is here, that logic 1. 1 means 0 1 0 0, so here logic put 1, this is the 1, and for this 1. And 5 means 0 1 0 1 0 1, so we have to put here 1. And for this don't care, you have to enter the logic 1. 6 here, 6 7 7 14 here. The remaining boxes you have to enter 0. And this one quad, here one quad is representing, but as per need of simplification you have to consider as a don't care as a logic 1 and logic 0. For this don't care, all don't care, here we considering as a logic 0. So y is equal to only quad 1 answer, that is a bar b bar c bar d, a bar b bar c bar d, next a bar b c bar d bar, a bar b c bar d, this a bar b bar c bar. Next you have to simplify the equation. A bar b bar c bar d bar plus d from these two equation, and here a bar b c bar d bar plus d. For this you have to use the log. A bar b bar c plus a bar b c bar, and answer is a bar b c bar plus common c bar b bar plus b, so answer is a bar c bar. In this first problem, for grouping we here considering as a logic 1 for a don't care, here is a not required for grouping. So in this second problem we have to consider as for don't care as a logic 0, that also some function the output corresponding to some certain combination of input variable do not matter. That means for such a input combination it does not matter whether the value of output is 0 or 1. In such a situation you have to free to assume 0 or 1 as the output for each combination of input condition. So this condition is known as don't care, and in the K-map we have to represent as a don't care as per need of simplification. As per need of simplification we have to consider as a don't care as a 0 or 1. As per need of simplification in this K-map I have to consider as a don't care as a 0, and in a first problem for grouping in a grouping that maximum number of ones are required, that reduces the number of gates. So here we consider as these two don't cares are as a logic 1. Thank you watching this video. Next lecture we study the designing digital circuits, that is a half adder, full adder, and these all circuits we study in the practical. So designing this designing is a next lecture we study, that is half adder, full adder, multiplexer, demultiplexer. These are the examples of combinational circuits, and that combinational circuits we design by using the K-map simplification. So you have to mostly practice the K-map simplification of SOP and POS expression. This point, on this point there is one example for the 4 marks, and total designing of the combinational circuit is depends on this K-map simplification, that SOP and POS.